introduce myself, Sadashiva MR. Today we are going to study about fundamental relational operations in DBMS. Introduction to fundamental relational operations. Fundamental relational operations are the cornerstone of database management system, serving as a fundamental building blocks that enables user to interact with and manipulate data efficiently. These operations encompass a set of essential techniques designed to extract, filter, and combine information with the relational databases. At their essence, fundamental relational operations are the collection of operations performed on relational database table to retrieve, filter, and combine data. These operations provide user with a powerful meaning to mold data according to specific criteria, facilitating the extraction of meaningful insights and the generation of tailored datasets. Whether its selection specify rows based on conditions, extracting particular columns, or combining datasets. These operations from the bedrocks of structured query languages and relational database management system. Overview of fundamental relational operations. Selection, projection, union, intersection, difference, uh, Cartesian product, joint. Selection. Selection is a fundamental relational operation that involves choosing specific rows from the table based on given conditions. It acts as a filtering mechanism allowing user to narrow down the dataset and retrieve only rows that satisfies a particular Cartesian. This operations is particularly valuable in scenarios where the subset of data needs to be examined or analyzed. Example: consider an employee table in a company database. If you want to identify all employees who joined the company after a specific date, you would apply this selection operations condition made something like summation sub a join date and etc. Which would result in table containing only those employees who meet specified criteria. Selection of essential for refining database, focusing on relevant information and extracting subsets that meet specific conditions. It enables user to tailor the queries to obtain precious and targeted results, making it fundamental tool in the database management toolkit. Projection. Projection is a fundamental relational operation that involves extracting specific columns or attributes from the table, creating a new table that focuses on only the selected information. These operations is crucial for specifying the data sets and empathizing particular aspects of data, making it easier to compare and analyze. Example of from the table of containing customer information, you could use projection to extract only the customer names and their corresponding contact details. The projection fundamental for the managing the complex of larger database ensures that user can work with the streamlined information relevant to their analysis by creating new table with a reduced number of attributes. It enhances data criteria and supports more efficient querying and reporting. Union is a set of operations in relational database combines rows from combines rows from two tables while eliminating duplicating records. It useful for merging datasets with similar structures, creating an unfilled set of records. Example: imagine having two tables, managers and the supervisors. Each contains information about the employees in different roles, and the union operations denoted by the managers, union and supervisors would bring together of record both the tables, ensuring that duplicates are removed. The results of comparison list of all employees in the managerial role. Union is a crucial when dealing dealing with the data sets that share common characteristics but may have different records. It specifies the process of creating aggregates datasets without redundancy for stating a unified view of relevant information. Intersection is a relational operation that identifies common rows between two tables, providing insights into shared elements and overlaps a dataset. It enables user to understand the intersections of data between two sets, uh, relying records that exist in both. Example: consider having two tables of current employees and employees with awards. To identify the employees with both the current status and having then received awards, you would use an intersection operation denoted as current employees intersection employees with awards. This operation will yield a list of employees who simulates possess both attributes. Difference Difference operation is a relational database retrieves the rows from the first table that do not exist in the second table, allows user to identify the unique records and distinguish between the datasets. It is a powerful tool for the understanding the distinction and exclusion within a data. Consider having a example. Consider having two tables, all customers and the customers with the purchases. The difference operations denotes an all customers difference customer with purchase would return the list of customers who have not made any purchase. This operation helps in isolating the records unique to the first dataset. Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a fundamental relational operation that combines all possible pairs of rows from two tables, creating a result set where each row from the first table is pairing with every row from the second. While it can generate a large database, the Cartesian product is essential for the understanding a relationship between the tables. Example: consider two tables, students and the courses. The Cartesian product denotes a student's cross product of course. They will yield a table containing every possible combination of the students and the course. Each row is a resulting a table represents a pair of students with a course. And last is joint. Definition: joint is a powerful relational operation that combines rows from two tables based on the related columns, creating a merged result set. This operation is crucial for integrating data from multiple sources and facilitating the analysis of interconnected information. Example: consider having two tables, employee and the department. The joint operation denotes an employee joins sub-employee. Department ID is equal to departments would combine the information from the both tables based on the common column. Department ID. The result is a comprehensive table containing the details about each employee department. Joint is a fundamental for the scenarios where users have to retrieve information that spans across the different table by linking records based on shared attributes. It enables user to create the console datasets that provides the holistic view of related informations. Join operations are instrumental to relational database where data is distributed across the multiple tables, and relationships between the tables are established through key columns. Thank you.